Xuzhou Redman Equipment Company Limited is specialized in research and development, design, manufacturing, installation, and delivery and operation of environmental and intelligentized hot-dip galvanizing production line. Relying on our over 30 years of production management experience and practices in hot-dip galvanizing, we focus on research and development and design of environmental, intelligent, and trouble-free hot-dip galvanizing, with sufficient utilization of the correlation theory of industrial engineering. The production line arrangement is schemed and designed to achieve the operation objective of the production line, which is safe, efficient, environmental, intelligent, and trouble-free. With the help of auto lifts, the laborers will hand the raw materials to be galvanized by following the galvanizing process requirements. The operator will log on to the intelligent management system for hot-dip galvanizing and input the production information. Then the automatic production is initiated. First of all, the automatic control system starts. The automatic crane will grab the raw materials to be galvanized on the lifts and transport them to the ground rail vehicle for material entry automatically. The side doors of enclosure open. The ground rail vehicle transports the raw material to be galvanized to the waiting position for grab. The side doors close and the rolling curtain opens. The number 1 RGV inside the enclosure will take up the raw materials from the waiting position and go through the treatment of degreasing, rinsing, and pickling. The number 2 RGV will take up the raw materials from pickling tank after automatic aeration and automatic pickling. Then leave them in rinsing tank after decrement treatment. The number 3 RGV will move the raw materials from the rinsing tank to the flux tank. The pre-treatment enclosure adopts negative micropressure control technology. The pressure status can be displayed in real time. When the rolling curtain opens at the entrance and exit of the enclosure, the high-frequency operation will be triggered inside the enclosure. Then the rolling curtain opens and the RGV will transport the raw materials to the position for exiting. The side doors open to let RGV for galvanizing enter the enclosure to transport the raw materials out of the enclosure. The side doors close. The first rolling curtain opens. RGV moves the raw materials to be galvanized out of the enclosure. Meanwhile, the first rolling curtain closes and the raw materials enter the automatic cycle area of the galvanizing. Confirmation of raw materials before galvanizing is carried out in the inspection area. The galvanizing sequence initiates. The side doors on the galvanizing hood open. The raw materials are automatically transported to the above of the galvanizing kettle, ready for galvanizing after turning. After galvanizing, the side rolling curtain ascends to make space for slack cleaning. Then the galvanized materials are lifted while the side rolling curtain descends. The galvanized materials are moved out from the galvanizing kettle and then descend during the transferring till the galvanized materials are fully immersed into the cooling tank. At the same time, the side rolling curtain closes. Cooling and passivation are completed automatically. After passivation, the RGV will move the galvanized materials to the discharge conveyor, which will transfer the materials to the discharging position. The laborers will use the manual crane to transfer the materials to unloading lifts. And and meanwhile, the RGV enters the next galvanizing cycle automatically. The production support equipment, like process support equipment and environmental equipment, is distributed in the environmental equipment area, including backfilter, integrated automatic treatment equipment for rinsing water, integrated treatment equipment for flux regeneration, scrubber and automatic treatment equipment for waste acid,